Hello class, welcome to LayerzeroTalk, and today we are going to be talking about history of Layer Zero. In 2021, late 2021, three guys, Brian Pellegrino, Caleb Bannister, and Ryan Zarek, came together to tackle fragmentation in blockchain. And these guys also had other aims, which was making it secure for smart contracts to interact with each other on different blockchains. Now, fast forward to March 2022, they brought into the world LayerZero V1 and also Stargate. Now, Stargate is a means of bridging assets from one blockchain to another blockchain. 13 months after, these guys closed a $120 million Series B. Now, they had backing from A16Z Crypto and also Sequoia. Now, 8 months after, they created V2. Now, this V2 separates execution from verification, and verification is separated with the use of DVNs, which is decentralized verifier networks. Now, we are going to talk about adoption. That is projects that has adopted Layer Zero. As at middle of 2024, LayerZero had 300 user-facing applications. Not only that, they also had 54,000 smart contracts using LayerZero. That's not the only big thing. They had 80 plus blockchains connected to LayerZero. Now, that was middle 2024. Now, let's fast forward to a few months after. Fourth quarter of 2024, there was a massive increase. I'm talking about 58 plus omnichain application. Not only that, 120 plus connected blockchains. That's massive growth from Layer Zero. And why all this we are going, Layer Zero on June 20th, 2024 decided to launch their native token, which is LayerzeroTalk. Now, they launched it, distributing it as a means of airdrop to 1.28 million eligible users. Not only that, they had a market cap of $1 billion. But with time, it stabilized to 550 to $700 million, and its current price is $1.8 per ZRO token. Layer Zero didn't stop here. They kept on building, and they brought to us new inventions. And when I'm talking about new invention, I'm talking about the Layer Zero LZV. I'm talking about LZ Catalyst. Also talking about community programs that were done by Layer Zero. Not only that, Layer Zero also facilitated enterprise integration. Yes, they facilitated enterprise integration. We're talking about the BitGo wrapped BTC. We're talking about Animoca. We're talking about PayPal USDC and many more. If you followed us throughout this class, you'll be able to know history of Layer Zero, adoption, and new invention created by Layer Zero. Now, see you in our next class. We'll start talking about articles on Layer Zero. Don't forget to follow, like, repost, and also subscribe on X at Jogazi and YouTube at Juga Crypto 1. Thank you.